you all ready, guys? Okay, how high up to the top?
Oh look, I had to have the hairbrush handy afterwards to fix my hair. Guys, it wasn't my finest moment. Now, you know me, right? I can get up on a horse, I can play polo, I can get into a tank and dress up as a mermaid, I can wear a Marilyn Monroe dress and get into the sea. That for me was very, very tough. I suppose I was facing my fears here this morning. Did it look good?
Highly enjoyable.
I gather you had to do it twice, Deric.
Well, Sinead Ryan, she's my producer, she said, Deric, can we do it again? I said, no, we are not doing it again, Sinead. This is a one-take wonder special.